What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today we are taking a close look at the THERUN Incline Treadmill, a value-packed option built for real home workouts. It is compact, well designed and promises performance without the premium price tag. In this video, we will break down how it handles in daily use, covering speed, incline, comfort, build and tech features. No hype, just the facts. So you can decide if this treadmill actually delivers where it counts. But before we get into it, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, this incline treadmill from THERUN delivers consistent performance powered by a 3.0 horsepower high efficiency motor. Built to support users up to 300 pounds, it handles everything from slow-paced walks to runs at 9 miles per hour without lag or excess noise. The motor runs smoothly under load, maintaining stability throughout longer sessions. Paired with the motor is a 12-level automatic incline system, ranging from flat ground to a 12% uphill climb. It adds a real variety to the workout, pushing muscles harder and boosting calorie burn without leaving the room. Whether it's a slow hill walk or a sprint at full incline, the transitions are smooth and fast. No jolts, no delays, just a steady shift in intensity that keeps the session dynamic, challenging, and far from boring. The running belt measures 44 by 17.7 inches, providing a wide and stable surface that supports natural stride mechanics. The extra width reduces the chances of missteps, especially during faster runs or when adjusting the pace on the incline. Underneath the belt, the treadmill is equipped with an advanced 2+4 shock absorption system. 4 internal shock absorbers, combined with 2 additional cushioning layers, work together to significantly reduce joint impact. This design protects knees, muscles, and ligaments, offering a safer, more forgiving surface, especially important for users recovering from injury or training regularly on hard surfaces. This treadmill features an 18-inch LED screen that displays all core workout metrics: speed, time, distance, calories, and incline. The layout is clean and easy to monitor at a glance. Shortcut keys are integrated for quick access to speed and incline settings, making mid-run adjustments simple and safe. Despite its supportive frame, the THERUN is designed for easy home use. The space-saver design allows for vertical folding, making storage straightforward even in smaller spaces. Wheels at the base add mobility, and the fold and lock mechanism is quick and safe. Setup is user-friendly, with minimal assembly required out of the box. Once it's up and running, the treadmill feels solid underfoot. No shaking, no rattling, just a steady, quiet ride. Every step lands with confidence, a sign of the thoughtful engineering and sturdy build behind it. It doesn't creak or flex even at higher speeds, which says a lot about the quality packed into its frame. This isn't just well built, it's built to last through real, everyday use. In some cases, everyday abuse. Well, it's time to wrap up. And before that, for anyone building a home fitness routine, I think this treadmill delivers on the essentials. With strong performance, thoughtful design, and smart features, it's a well-rounded machine that suits both beginners and experienced runners. Yeah, I have left a link in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. But before that, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Support honest content.